Namaskar friends, welcome to Homeopathic Adda. This is your host Dr. Gautam Das. Let us carry on our Adda today on personality and homeopathy. Many times I am asked how to study for learning the personality of the medicine and the patient. Personality is the combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual distinct character. The phenomena as cause and effect adjust as the personality of the patient as well as in medicine also. Each and every medicine and patient having their peculiar unique power of adaptability to produce individual personality in their own environment. Study of the personality in patient. Focus of interest attachments of the patient. If physical, emotional, in economical support means the patient is in biological needs. Belonging in animal life, voluntary systems are involved. The vegetative part related with the emotion corresponding with liver, heart, ovaries, etc. Rational personality in patient. Focus of interest on intellectual or social support means the patient belonging in rational life, involuntary system are involved. The organic part related with the reasoning or intellect corresponding with stomach, intestine, kidney, lungs, uterus, etc. Study of the personality in medicine. Emotional attachment with passion, guided by reasoning with intelligence enough, may fail to perceive the personality of the medicine, even of their gender, either feminine or maleness in its nature. Medicines of involuntary system related with rational life. The organic part related with the reasoning or intellect corresponding with stomach, intestine, kidney, lungs, uterus, etc. Medicine of voluntary system related with animal life, the vegetative part related with emotion corresponding with liver, heart, ovaries, etc. Sexual organs related with male sexual organ related with intellectual part. Ovaries and uterus involved with love and intellect both respectively. Homeopathic interpretation. Homeopath must perceive the phenomena, the cause and effect, which are adjust as the altered state of disposition and mind of the patient in a specific conditions as and one episode and proceed as sensation as if abnormal sensation, abnormal functions, and finally the gross pathology becomes developed as the result of the sickness which we call disease. The simple substance is the true hold of the material world. There are two worlds that come apparently to the mind of man, the world of thought and the world of matter. That is the world of immaterial substance and the world of material substance, world of motion and world of inertia, world of life and world of dead matter, the world of cause and world of result. The rational life, involuntary system, organic part, and the animal life, voluntary system, the vegetative part, respectively. Conclusion. Knowing the personality of the patient as well as the nature of the medicine, either in rationalism or in animalism, we may conclude sites or localizations of disease, either mental or physical, specifically, also confirm with their prognosis, curability, following the Hering's law of cure. Selection of dose, potency, and repetition. If in animalism, low potency, 6, 12, 30, 200, and moderate doses may require more repetition. Whereas if in rationalism needs 200, 1m, 10m, 50m needs long time after repetition. The repetition of medicines must follow the rules of second prescription. Namaskar. That's enough for today. Bye bye till for next episode.